Miss Adams' room and he's just running a little bit behind. That's possible too. Maybe they're doing some kind of morning work stuff or they're doing their morning meeting too, so that's very possible. All right, so vocabulary for our Superstorms, lesson 8 in our Journeys book. I'm just going to kind of pull random cards out here, and let's see if somebody could tell me what the vocabulary words mean this time. Okay, so the first word I have is the word damage, number 2 in our book on page 262. What does it mean if you damage something? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go like this. Jamie, what does it mean if you damage something?
Break it?
Yeah, it can get broken. It gets broken, or it gets hurt, or it gets harmed. Very good. Damage means to be broken, be hurt, or be harmed. Then my next vocabulary word that I'm going to randomly pull out from the pile behind my back. Oh, I pulled out 2 here. I have the word bend. Oh, wow, number 3. These trees in the picture can bend in the wind. If something bends, let me stick this here so I don't drop them. If something bends, Jake, can you tell me what it means to bend something? If you bend something, what are you going to do? Or what does it do?
Bend your fingers?
Yeah, so when you bend your finger, what are you doing with your finger? Right, it curves, but it does not do what, Jake? Remember I said if your finger did this, it would really, really hurt?
Right.
Break. Fantastic. To bend means to curve, but not break. Okay? All right. Now, next vocabulary card. Hi, Lonnie. We were just wondering about you. Next vocabulary card is prevent. Number 6, page 263. In the picture, the snow can prevent cars and trucks, pretty much anything, from moving. If you prevent something, what does it mean if you prevent something? Alina. If the snow prevents the cars and trucks from moving, what does that mean?
It's stuck
What's stuck?
on the snow.
No, the snow is not stuck.
The cars?
They might be stuck. Why?
Because if there's too much snow.
Because there's too much snow. So the snow is keeping them from being able to do what?
Move.
Right. So if you can't move, you what? You either move or you
Stand.
stop.
Stop.
Okay. Prevent means to stop, Alina. What does prevent mean?
To stop.
To stop. To stop something from happening. Keep it from happening. Okay. Then we have the word equal. In the picture, the snow is equal to 3 feet. Number 8, page 263 in our book. Equal is a math word. What does equal mean? Let's see if this person can tell me. Valerie, what does it mean if something is equal? Like if I say 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, what does that mean? It is the what?
It's the answer.
It is the answer, but what does it mean if they're equal? Let's see if this person can tell me what equal means. What does equal mean? If the snow equals 3 feet, Derek, what does that mean?
It equals height.
It does equal the height, but what does equal mean? Good thing today is not our test for the vocabulary words. Kinsley, can you tell me what it means if things are equal? If things are equal, they are what?
The same.
Fantastic, Kinsley. Ding, 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 ding. They are the same. Derek, equal means what?
Same.
The same. Valerie, equal means what?
The same.
The same. If something is equal, it means it's the same. Okay? All right, next vocabulary word is reach. It says in the picture, number 7, page 263, the water can reach the rooftops. Reach is a tricky word, but let's see if this stick person can tell me what reach means. If you can reach something, Gwen, what does that mean?
It means that you can kind of it's multiple meaning words. Like you're there. You have reached where you are.
Right,
You're reaching for something.
Right, you can either get to the place where you need to go, or you can
reach up and you can get it.
Get that thing that you want to get. Right, maybe reaching up or reaching into your desk or reaching underneath something. It means you can get what it is that you want to have in your hands, or you get to the place where you want to go. And let's see, our next vocabulary word is pounding. Number 5, pounding. The waves in this picture are pounding the beach. If the waves are pounding the beach, what does it mean? What is happening if something is pounding? Yanessa, if something is pounding, what does that mean? If the waves pound the beach, or if I pound a nail, Yanessa, what does that mean? If you're looking at the screen, Yanessa, I'm giving you a clue. I'm pounding my hammer. What am I doing? Ooh, then let's put our pencil down, hon, and stop drawing and listen to what we're doing, okay? All right, let's see if this person can tell me. Oh, that person's not with us. Let's see if this person can tell me. Angelina, what does it mean if waves are pounding, or if I'm pounding a hammer?
It's hitting something.
Right, it's hitting again and again and again and again, or hammering again and again and again. All right, flash. The flash of lightning lights up the sky. What is a flash, Kaden? What kind of light is it? It is bright, but what makes it different than a regular bright light like the one that's shining in my eyes right now?
It just turns on and goes off.
Okay, so this light will go on and go off too. What makes it different? No, not because it's lightning. What kind of bright light is it?
It's a flash.
It is a flash. What makes it a flash? A flash means it does what when it goes on and off?
It flashes.
It does flash. What does that mean if it flashes? Let's start to focus on focus, all right, Timothy? All right, Timothy, what does it mean if a light is flashing? It might come out of the ceiling, but what kind of light is coming out of the ceiling if it's flashing? Not necessarily electric. It could be a flash of light from a fire. It could be a flash of light from a candle. What makes a flash a flash? You need to start hocus pocusing focus, Timothy. Let's go, Zayden.
It means just it goes really fast.
Right. It's a very fast, short flash of light. Boom. Little bit of light. Kaden, what's a flash?
It's like a bit of light.
Little bit of light. Real fast. Timothy, what's a flash? A little bit of light. Real fast. Like later this afternoon when we do our fire drill. If they do the sound, which they probably won't, but if they do the sound, we have that box on the wall that flashes. It goes on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off. It's a really fast burst of light. And our last vocabulary word is beware. Dun, dun, dun. Number 1 in our vocabulary is beware. It's on page 262. If somebody says beware when you hear the fire sirens, or beware when you hear that noise, what is that telling you? Lonnie, what do you think?
It means that there's an emergency. Stay alert.
Stay alert. Fantastic. It means stay alert. Pay attention. Be aware. Be careful. Okay. All right, friends. we put our vocabulary cards away. We will keep reviewing those. Don't worry, those of you that aren't quite sure of them yet, you're going to hear them a bazillion times, and I'm hoping that they go stick in your brain so that we're ready to go when we take our test with them next week. All right, I would like you to turn today in your book to pages, let's see here, 286 and 287.